balance. Here it comes. Now remember, we're about 65 metres above sea level, and this is called the King River Gorge. The gorge will be to the left, you're facing forward, or pretty much from where we're coming from. You'll have a look and you'll get to see it over there. You might even get a glimpse of an old landslide, which shows how loose and shallow the topsoil is. Now we do get quite a few glimpses where there are no trees in front of us whatsoever. But as you can see, the river is flowing. She does have a fair bit of force in her. But ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the majestic King River. We are now following the second half of royalty all the way through the Strong.
Queen River into King River. That's the Gorge.
Now get ready, here comes the best shot of the day.
Wow.
And here we have it. Absolutely magnificent. What a great day for us. You know, in the middle of the winter, this particular gorge here up on the hills is so surrounded by mist that you can actually see it follow the river all the way through. Absolutely gorgeous. If you look behind you, you'll see the gorge in the distance roaring through. Now in 1994, Hydro Tasmania put 2 dams at the far top end of the King River up near Queenstown, and from that point onwards they controlled how much water flows down here. But prior to that,